What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a Softbox lighting kit. This brand right here is called SKYTECK. All right, almost close to Skynet. Anyways, you have to be old school to know that. Let's go ahead and get into it. Right now I'm just gonna unbox it real quick and I will set it up and show y'all what it looks like. Go over the lights real quick and that will be it. It's not much into this. We will see how bright it is. Very big bulb. Wow, this thing is huge. Look how big that bulb is. All right, you guys. Now, as y'all know, I work with studios. I know photographers and stuff like that. So yeah, kind of waist deep into this game. This is the stand right here. We will be putting that up. All right, so of course, you know, this folds down. Now, I'm just gonna leave this right here for right now. This is nice and small. It's not that big, you guys. You got press down really tight. So like push. There we go. You have to fit it right inside of the middle of this daggone thing. And if you want to take it back off, you gotta pull it and then it comes back. All right, this has Velcro on it. So the Velcro right there. All right, so you can fit it right there on the side. You can pull the black part on this, get it to go around. Pull the black part on here, like so. And then you wrap it around to go across here. All right. Now, if you want this to be more secure, you can fold the Velcro side. You can fold it down like that, but it's pretty secure, so you don't really need to fold it. And that's it. The Softbox is on. Just showed y'all that, and I am about to install it. Take this cap off and you can put your camera on top if you want to use this as a tripod as well. You do have that option, but I'm gonna put the cap back on. I got plenty of tripods, obviously. Obviously, you see one right here. And I am gonna put that back on. And what you have to do is tighten this butterfly. Well, you may have to loosen it to get it on top, but what you want to do is fit this on top. And I didn't tighten the feet of the tripod. Well, yeah, well, this tripod of this Softbox. Let me tighten this up so it stopped going down on me. All right. And that's about it, you guys. Softboxes are easy to install. And you have your adjustments right here. You will have to click on your light right on the side. And it's pretty bright, you guys. This light is bright, okay? Like very, very bright. This lighting kit, the person that wanted this lighting kit don't want it no more, so they returned it. And the reason being is because it only has one temperature as far as the light bulb goes. So this is not like your other light bulbs, well, your other lighting kits where you just have one light bulb and you can change the temperature with that one light bulb. It's not like that. So with this light bulb, I believe it's just a daylight light bulb. I think that's the light bulb that we had, and they didn't like it. It says style traditional incandescent / LED, blah blah blah. All right, 5500K. So that's the color temperature is 5500K. So with that being said, he wanted that light kit returned. But one thing I could tell you is right now as I speak is 38 bucks for just that one light. Not that bad. You probably could get other light kits that can change temperatures around the same price range. So you can actually look for other things and probably get a little bit more. Expect some more lights coming to the channel. I do have another set of lights right here. A photographer might find something on this channel, whether it's being lavalier mics, studio lights, the camera that I use. This camera is actually good. The only thing is I just don't have it on manual setting. I always have it on auto setting because this is my main camera, you guys, that I use for everything. I use this camera when I'm cutting grass and doing all my videos outside. So this camera goes through the mud, you guys. But if I had this camera stationed like in the studio and it's like my main blogging camera, then I will have like the ISO settings and everything straightened out. But maybe next year I might look into getting a new camera. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about the light, which is not here no more, so I really can't help you too much. But only thing I could do is tell you I could refer you to the link, and that will be it. So anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.